Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to invite friends in Melon Playground. So if you want to play Melon Playground or the Melon Sandbox with your friends, so you have to download it, but as you can see, there is no option that you can use to invite your friend and play together. So from here you have to simply uh, watch till the end to get some information about the multiplayer mode. So as of May 2025, Melon Playground does not have an official multiplayer mode or a built-in feature to invite friends directly. The game remains a single-player sandbox experience. However, there are a few unofficial methods that players have explored or to connect with friends. So the first one is referral codes for rewards. So while not multiplayer features, Melon Playground offers referral codes that players can share with friends. When a friend uses your referral code during account creation, both of you may receive in-game rewards. This system encourages sharing the game but doesn't enable direct multiplayer interactions. Third-party modes are and the fan-made versions. So some community members have developed unofficial modes or fan-made version of Melon Playground or the Melon Sandbox that attempt to introduce multiplayer functionality. For example, a Reddit user shared a fan-made multiplayer version, but it was noted to be highly unstable and buggy. These versions are not officially supported and may pose security risks. Now the third thing is screen sharing via communication apps. So a particular workaround is to use screen sharing features available in communication apps like Discord or Zoom. By sharing your screen, you can showcase your gameplay to friends in real time, allowing for collaborative discussions and suggestions, albeit without interactive multiplayer gameplay. Stay updated on official developments. The Melon Playground community is active and discussion about potential multiplayer feature are ongoing. While there is no official announcement regarding the introduction of multiplayer mode, it's advisable to stay connected with official channels or community forums for any updates. So that's pretty much all thing about the Melon Playground, how you can actually invite your friends. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.